Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the new control center in Settings. This gives you access to quick settings and tiles. Tap Notifications and Control Center, then choose Swipe down from the top right or assign a gesture. Once done, make sure Quick Settings is active so you can pull up toggles instantly. This step sets the foundation. Without it, you can't customize tiles or use the revamped layout. Now move on to arranging the elements you use most, which saves time every day. Next, customize the tiles so the control center works for you. Open the panel and tap Edit or the pencil icon. You'll see available tiles and active tiles. Drag items into place, remove what you never use, and add features like mobile data, wallet, or screen recorder. Make sure to group frequently used toggles near the bottom for one-handed reach, because you'll access this dozens of times daily. Arranging it intentionally speeds actions and reduces. Finally, test the control center thoroughly. Swipe the chosen gesture, tap each tile, and confirm functions open correctly. If something doesn't respond, re-enter edit mode and reset the layout or remove and re-add the faulty tile. If the problem persists, restart your phone and, if available, clear the settings app cache to force a reload. One key troubleshooting tip: if gestures conflict with third-party launchers, switch to the system launcher temporarily to isolate and fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.